asustusketju Kolikkotie, niin
yeah, today's the 9th of August 2021. It was really difficult to get a sign here, but we did it. This is Kolikkotie 3, staircase B here in again, I don't know the name of it.
Holsti.
Holsti here in one of the suburbs of Jyväskylä, Keski-Suomi, Mielestä, Finland. It's a complete original with lamp indicators and windows. It's amazing. Built in 1971, turning 50 years old this year, 2021. The reason we're filming this now is that they're going to get replaced. We don't know exactly when, but it's planned.
Yeah.
But this was the original today. Consumer recipe is 2475. I've been inspecting it 2023. Let's write it. Our Bibles here, and we still have to get to the staircases A, C, and D here.
Yeah.
Definitely on the right.
Scripted documents that made it both soon of the script is.
Next to the basement floor. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Oh, let's hope we'll also get to the staircases A, C, and D as soon as possible.
Yes, that's